The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
He is unlucky there and once again hits straight to the fielder.
The captain has been good with the field placement. In the air, this is six. It's a magnificent strike.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Glorious, absolutely glorious shot, and it runs away for four. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's hit straight to the fielder.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, he smashed that to the boundary. 4 runs. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is a very quick single taken. Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder.
The captain has been good with his field placements. That is six. That is just magnificent batting. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That six picked up the length very early. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Not just his person.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He is unlucky there and once again hits straight to the fielder. That's hit straight to the fielder.
The captain has been good with the field placement.
plays and misses.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful thing.
Straight up in the air, and that's it. They have been managing the required run rate quite beautifully.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end.